Well, hi there. It's Leslie. I know I always get this question. It's like, I've been using the bender ball and I'm kind of looking for a way to tweak my uh, core workout a little bit. So here you have it. So we're always going to use the bender ball no matter what. We're always looking to protect our low back. Again, when we're laying down and we're doing all this stuff, that really is huge amount of hip flexors and you're yanking on your neck. No reason to do that. But when we put the ball behind the low back, right, we're protecting the lumbar spine, and that gives our thoracic spine the ability to actually move. And that's what we want. So to protect our back at all times is really important. Now, your beginning position is with the knees facing forward. The arms are reaching out, and you lean back until you feel from your pubic bone to your sternum. Then we bring the arms up. By simply letting the knees fall a little bit to your left, notice what you feel immediately in the right side body. Then as you start to lift and lower, bringing the knees back to center, feel the difference. Again, knees a little bit to the side, feel the difference. So as we start to kind of tweak in and tweak out the position of our lower body, same as tweaking the position of our upper body. So adding in both upper and lower body, kind of tweaking in and tweaking out, even taking our arms a little bit to the side, feel what you're feeling in the front of the body and not the low back. And especially, we're giving our body the ability to load to explode, which is vital for core training. So give that a shot and see how that feels to you to, move those knees from one side to the other. It would be no different than if we were just standing and saying, all right, activate your core by leaning back, which you are. But the minute that you start to kind of move a little right to left, or you start to add rotation, we're training our core all the time. So we have to get away from thinking that training the core is always being on our back, which couldn't be farther from the truth. I always say, the time that you should be in a supine position for a long period is really during rest or shavasana. And that way, we're not loading to explode, but gravity is absorbing our body and vice versa. So here's a little tip, just tweak it in, tweak it out, and notice what you feel in your body, and then feel free to pass it on to your clients.